Hey everyone, Antonio from Paired Recruiting here. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most popular platforms for hiring remote talent from the Philippines, OnlineJobs.ph. If you're exploring ways to grow your team without breaking the bank, you've probably heard about Online Jobs. It's known as a go-to resource for finding affordable, high-quality remote workers, particularly for roles like virtual assistants, graphic designers, and customer support agents. But is it really the right platform for your business? In this video, I'm doing a pro-con review of OnlineJobs.ph. We'll break down what it does well, where it falls short, and whether it's the best option for your hiring needs. This isn't a step-by-step guide. We're diving straight into the platform's strengths and weaknesses so you can decide if it's worth your time and money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect from Online Jobs and whether it's the right fit for your business. And of course, if you're looking for a more hands-on hiring solution, Paired Recruiting is here to help. Let's get started. Let's start with what OnlineJobs.ph does well, and honestly, it has some impressive strengths that make it a popular choice for businesses. First, cost effectiveness is one of its biggest selling points. Hiring through Online Jobs is far more affordable than using traditional staffing agencies or hiring locally in higher cost countries. Filipino workers often charge significantly lower rates, but you're still getting access to highly skilled professionals. For example, you can find virtual assistants for as low as $500 per month, depending on the role and experience. Second, access to a large talent pool. Online Jobs boasts over 2 million profiles, giving you plenty of options for almost any role, whether it's admin support, SEO, graphic design, or programming. Third, the platform offers direct hiring. Unlike other platforms that act as intermediaries, Online Jobs connects you directly with candidates. Once you find someone you like, you pay them directly. There are no middleman fees. This gives you more control over the hiring process and reduces costs. Another advantage is the platform's filtering tools. You can narrow down candidates based on skills, experience, and even desired salary, making it easier to find the right fit. Finally, the one-time fee structure for job posts or subscriptions can be more budget-friendly for businesses with consistent hiring needs. While these strengths are great, Online Jobs isn't perfect. Now, let's get into the downsides of OnlineJobs.ph because while it has its strengths, there are a few areas where the platform could improve. The first major issue is the lack of vetting. Unlike other platforms that screen candidates, Online Jobs leaves it up to you to verify skills, experience, and qualifications. This means you'll need to spend more time reviewing resumes, conducting interviews, and testing skills to ensure candidates meet your standards. Second, there's no built-in payment system. While the direct hiring model has its advantages, it also means you're responsible for setting up payment arrangements with your employees. This can be a hassle, especially if you're unfamiliar with international payment platforms like Payoneer or Wise. Another drawback is the platform's limited support. If you run into issues, whether it's with finding candidates or dealing with disputes, you won't get the same level of customer service you might expect from other platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Additionally, quality can be inconsistent. While the talent pool is large, it's not always easy to identify top candidates. You may find yourself sorting through a lot of irrelevant or underqualified applicants, which can be time consuming. Finally, the subscription fees can feel high if you're only hiring occasionally. While it's cost effective for frequent users, smaller businesses or those with one-off hiring needs might find the pricing less appealing. So, who should consider using OnlineJobs.ph? The platform is best suited for businesses that are comfortable with direct hiring and are looking to build long-term relationships with remote employees. If you're hiring for roles like virtual assistants, content writers, or customer support reps, Online Jobs can be a cost-effective way to access skilled talent. It's also a great fit for businesses that have the time and resources to handle the vetting process themselves. If you're okay with conducting interviews, testing skills, and setting up payment systems, Online Jobs gives you the flexibility to manage everything directly. That said, it's not ideal for companies looking for short-term or project-based work. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr might be better off for one-off tasks as they handle payments and offer built-in dispute resolution. Additionally, if you're new to hiring or need a lot of guidance, Online Jobs might feel overwhelming. The lack of support and vetting means you'll need to take a hands-on approach approach, which isn't ideal for everyone. Ultimately, online jobs works best for businesses that want affordable access to remote talent and are willing to invest time into the hiring process. If online jobs doesn't sound like the perfect fit for your needs, don't worry, there are plenty of alternatives to consider. Here are a few popular options. Upwork is great for businesses that need short-term or project-based work. The platform vets freelancers and handles payments, making it a more hands-off option than online jobs. However, the fees can be higher, especially for long-term projects. Fiverr is ideal for businesses looking for quick, one-off tasks like logo design, social media graphics, or copywriting. It's easy to use, but the quality of freelancers can vary widely. If you're looking for top-tier talent in fields like software development or design, Toptal is worth considering. The platform rigorously screens its freelancers, ensuring you're only matched with highly skilled professionals. However, the costs are significantly higher than online jobs. Virtual Staff Finder. This service focuses specifically on helping businesses find virtual assistants from the Philippines. Unlike online jobs, Virtual Staff Finder does the vetting for you, but it comes with a higher price tag. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, so the best choice really depends on your specific hiring needs and budget. If you decide to use OnlineJobs.ph, here are some tips to maximize your success and avoid common pitfalls. A clear, specific job description is essential for attracting the right candidates. Include details about the role, required skills, and expected salary range. The more transparent you are, the better your chances of finding a good match. Since Online Jobs doesn't vet candidates, it's up to you to verify their skills. Consider sending a small test or task as part of the application process to gauge their abilities. Online Jobs offers filtering tools to help you narrow down candidates. Use these features to focus on applicants with relevant experience, desired salary levels, or specific skills. When reaching out to candidates, be clear about your expectations, including work hours, deadlines, and communication preferences. This helps avoid misunderstandings down the road. Platforms like Payoneer or Wise are popular for paying overseas workers. Make sure to discuss payment terms up front and keep records for compliance purposes. By following these tips, you can streamline the hiring process and make the most of what Online Jobs has to offer. So, is OnlineJobs.ph worth it? The answer depends on your specific needs and hiring style. If you're looking for affordable, long-term remote workers and don't mind handling the vetting and payment process yourself, Online Jobs is an excellent option. The platform's large talent pool and cost-effective pricing make it a standout choice for small to medium-sized businesses. However, if you prefer a more hands-off approach, need built-in payment systems, or hiring for short-term projects, you might find other platforms like Upwork or Fiverr more suitable. Ultimately, Online Jobs is a tool, and like any tool, it works best when used for the right job. If you're willing to put in the effort to vet candidates and manage the process, it can be a highly effective way to build your team. And there you have it, a full pro-con review of OnlineJobs.ph. It's a great platform for businesses looking to hire affordable, long-term remote workers, but it's not without its challenges. If you're ready to explore hiring through OnlineJobs.ph, remember to take the time to vet candidates thoroughly and set clear expectations. And if you're still unsure or want a more guided approach to hiring, Paired Recruiting is here to help you. We specialize in connecting businesses with top talent while taking the guesswork out of the hiring process. Visit our website or click in the link below for a free consultation today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might be considering OnlineJobs.ph. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.